Hi everyone, let's talk about how to fix DraftKings deposit not working. So DraftKings deposit issues on mobile are often caused by bank blocks, location verification failures, incorrect and details, or self-imposed deposit limits. So to fix this issue, you can start by addressing the common payment errors. Many major banks and credit card issuers block transaction to online sports books. Just call the number on the back of your card to authorize DraftKings. Now the next what you can do is update the information. Just make sure your billing address, CVV code, and card expiration date perfectly match your bank's record. Now, if you have an insufficient funds, just double check your bank account balance to ensure the funds are available. Now, the next what you can do is check for the app and account settings. You must be in a legal betting state and have your phone's location services or GPS turned fully on for the DraftKings app. So for that, go to your device settings, then find location and services in your search bar. Now make sure that the location services is turned on, or you can just simply scroll down to DraftKings and make sure that the location access is set to always and the precise location is turned on. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.